one thing. Like my reflexes are sometimes terrible. Like, cause I just stood right there. I'm not sure if you looked over, but I just stood right there. Like my reflexes was too late. Now, you live in, where not like to get like your like off the road. You know what I mean? Like what road do you live off of?
Amazing camera. Oh yeah?
You ever hit it up? Adorama?
I know B&H. I just don't know Adorama.
So you just like hit and run where that little boy died?
I haven't. Yeah, I just started.
Turn, and I guess a car tried to miss them. There was no car line.